How to delete TikTok profile photo. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily delete TikTok profile photo. So first thing, just head over to your TikTok application and make sure you are logged into your account. So just tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner. So once you're inside here, just tap on this profile section, or you can also click on this edit profile button over here. So once you tap here, you can see the option to change photo. So just tap on this. So as you can see here, the TikTok doesn't allow the photo to be deleted directly from over here. You can actually view the photo just like this, and you can even download the photo onto your device, but you cannot directly delete. So in that case, what you can do is, the only option you have is just click on this change photo over here, and just make sure you have already made available like a white background or black background in which your face is not shown, and just click on this take photo or select from gallery option, and basically just select any one of the photos which you find white or black, and just change it accordingly. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.